Let's make money as a student. Tutoring service. Offer tutoring services in subjects you excel in. Be a YouTuber. Create engaging videos, build an audience, and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Yoga teacher. Lead virtual or in-person yoga sessions for fitness and relaxation. Ebook writing. Write and publish ebooks on platforms like Kindle. Makeup artist. Showcase makeup skills. Offer tutorials and provide beauty services. Social media manager. Help small businesses manage their social media presence. Handmade phone case. Craft unique phone cases for personalized style and protection. Fitness coaching. Offer personalized workout plans or virtual fitness coaching sessions. Sell hair accessories. Sell trendy hair accessories to enhance style and fashion. Digital marketing. Assist businesses in online promotion and brand building. Online baby items shop. Curate and sell a variety of baby products through an online store. Be a podcaster. Share stories, insights, or interviews on a chosen podcasting platform. Clothes design. Create and sell custom-designed clothing items. App development. If you have programming skills, consider developing mobile apps. Jewelry making. Craft and sell handmade jewelry pieces. Online cake shop. Offer delicious cakes for various occasions through an online platform. Freelance writing or graphic design. Utilize your writing or design skills for freelancing gigs. Language translation service. Offer translation services for documents or websites. Nail arts. Provide nail art services or sell nail extensions and accessories. Sell houseplants. Offer a variety of indoor plants for homes and offices. T-shirt printing. Customize and sell unique t-shirts with personalized designs. Homemade jam. Produce and sell delicious homemade jams and preserves. Natural bath and body products. Create and sell handmade, natural bath and body care items. Instagram marketing. Provide marketing services to businesses seeking to enhance their Instagram presence. Woodworking. Craft and sell handmade wooden products or furniture. Blogging. Share expertise or experiences through a blog and monetize through ads or affiliates. Event photography. Capture special moments at events or parties. Sell paper bags. The eco-friendly business provides sustainable paper bags for a greener lifestyle. Social media influencer. Inspiring and engaging audiences through influential content, collaborations, and brand partnerships. Theme party decorator. Design and decorate themed events for memorable celebrations.